Good morning. Good morning. Come on over here. Mr. Thompson, this is Mr. Miller. We want to recognize him. I know earlier in the year we'd spoke and we nominated Mr. Miller for this award. And, fortunately he was got a lot of support from faculty and staff. And this is just to recognize that you were runner-up nationwide and this award. I'm going to let Mr. Thompson tell you a little bit about it.
Good morning, Mr. Miller.
Good morning.
I imagine that this was a little bit of a surprise for you.
Yes, it was. First time, this second time is an even bigger surprise.
Well, we are very happy to have recognized that you were nominated there at the school and in the nationwide voting. The result of your nomination and the many votes cast during the Rockstar nationwide voting, on behalf of Jim Supply and the Academy of Community Excellence, recognize Mr. Miller as the South Carolina Rockstar of Cleaning 2023. Congratulations.
Appreciate the award and thank you for being considerate on it. I said thank you for the award and appreciate me being nominated for it.
How many years have you been there?
40 plus.
I think it's a little bit overdue.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You
Thank
are
you, Mr. Thompson. We appreciate it.
we want to catch up with you sometime later and see what the rest of the students in the whole school think about this.
All right. We'll see what we can do.
Thank you. And hey, students, make sure you let everybody else in the school know that he's now the rock star cleaning for 2023. One more time.